Tell me a little bit about your role as an Antariksh yogi.
The time when I flew, a lot of countries, by that I mean spacefaring nations, were grappling with the problem of space sickness. They hadn't, nobody had hit upon uh, a nuksa, something which would ensure that we have uh, methodologies to prepare ourselves to withstand the zero gravity and the effects of that on the human body. And so the intention was to, as one of the science projects, to check whether yoga offers a better alternative to prepare uh, space crews to adapt better to zero gravity, because it just was, it's such a costly activity that you cannot afford to reach orbit and then report sick and be dysfunctional. So that is why. And how we went about it was that there was a doctor, a medical doctor from the Institute of Aerospace Medicine, who himself trained in yoga, and knowing and being very intimately knowledgeable about the physiology of humans, he had changed some of the asanas to ensure that areas which needed conditioning uh, to withstand zero gravity would be exercised with these asanas. And that's what happened. Now, naturally, this begs the question whether what was the result of the experiment. So that is the problematic part, because it wasn't conclusive, and the reason for that is not everybody gets hit by symptoms of space sickness, just as not everybody gets hit by air sickness or travel sickness. So maybe I belong to that group which wouldn't have got sick anyway. So so the so the this sample is not statistically valid till more of us follow that regimen for preparation, and then we'll be able to collect data and compare it. So that's why, and that's why we did this experiment.